Hi, hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel, Prinda. So let us solve a program today. That is, write a Java program to find if the given number is palindrome or not. Palindrome is nothing but the number should be equals to the reverse of a number also. It means that suppose if we pass the number as 1 to 1, if we perform reverse operation on this particular number, we get the same thing. So hence 121 equals to 121. This is called palindrome. So first to find the palindrome, first we need to find the reverse of a number. Reverse of a number is done with the help of reading the last digit up and to the left, and then after remove it from the temporary variable. So if you watch the previous video about reversing of a string, you will get an idea about how to reverse a string. So the same logic is applied here, but the only difference is here we compare the temporary number with the reverse of a number. So if both are equal, then it prints palindrome. Otherwise, it is not a palindrome. So let us start the logic here. Let us read a number. Let us take a temporary variable for storing the original value and the reverse of a number. Let us start the logic. If n is greater than when temporary is greater than 0, it should execute the block of code, that is reverse is equals to reverse into 10 plus temporary variable multiplies temporary variable. We need to delete them. So here this particular temp modulus 10 is used for reading the last digit of a number and append it to the reverse. So this reverse into 10 is an operation which is used for appending the value to the left side of an value, left side. Temporary slash is equals to 10. It is used for deleting the red number from the original value. It will delete the number which is read by the user. After this, it will check whether the if temp is if n is equals to the reverse of a number, then it will print as palindrome. If both are not equal, it will print as it is not a palindrome. So let us run our code. No. Oh, but then. Hence, the number is a palindrome. Let us check with another number. Nada. So in this case, the output will be Yeah, here the problem is, here we have initialized a temporary variable to 0. So here we should not initialize the temporary variable to 0. We need to give assign n to the temporary variable. So temporary variable is used for holding the original value. So let us run the program now. It is not a palindrome. Let us give another input and let's check palindrome. Yeah, our program is successfully executed. మీకు కనుక ఈ వీడియో నచ్చినట్టయితే ప్లీజ్ లైక్, share and subscribe. Keep supporting. Thank you.